Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some jerk sweet chili air fryer chicken wings. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much and let's jump right in. So we're going to start first by washing our chicken wings. I just have it in this bowl of water right here, and over here I have some pure white vinegar. I'm just going to pour some in the wings. I do wash my chickens, my fish, or my proteins with vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice. So it's very important that you really wash them down properly. I'll leave it in here for about 5 minutes so that it can really extract most of the, those good stuff we don't need, right? And then I'll come back and rinse it properly until the water is clear, and then we'll move to the next step. Our wings have been washed and I just lined them on my cutting board. What I did was I put some paper towel at the bottom of it, and then I'm using another paper towel. I'm just going to dry the wings thoroughly. You want to make sure that you do this step always when you're putting in any protein in the air fryer, because it's going to help with the crispness. So our chicken has been washed properly and also patted dry. I'm going to go now and just start seasoning it. So we have our first ingredient right here. It is our jerk seasoning. I'm using the hot and spicy. You can go ahead and do the mild one. That's totally up to you. You can do whichever way you want to go. Just go ahead. And I have some browning here. I'm going to put a little bit on there. It's just going to give it more of that color. Just a little bit, like so. It's good enough. I'm going to do some oil, some extra virgin olive oil. It's going to help crisp up our chicken and also help the chicken to absorb the seasoning properly. Next, I'll go in with some smoked paprika, just to give it that smokiness as well. And please make sure you check the description box below. I'm going to link all the ingredients and the measurements for you. Next, I'll go in with some onion powder. Next, I'll go in with some garlic powder. Okay, I'll do about 1 teaspoon as well. And finally, I'm going to do some salt to taste, always. And I'll just go in and I'll just mix my chicken to combine properly. And we have one last ingredient. I'm just going to introduce it at the end. Once the chicken has been cooked in the air fryer, I'll introduce the final ingredient as well. So it's been properly marinated. I'm just going to go ahead with my plastic wrap. I'll just keep the chicken in the fridge. I have about 2 hours. I'm going to let this marinate properly. And then after that, we are going to move to the next step, to air fry. If you have more time, that's fine. If you have less time, 30 minutes, that's fine. It really depends how much time you have. But no, the longer your chicken stays in the seasoning, the better it's gonna taste. Okay, so I'll see you in 2 hours. 2 hours later, I just brought our chicken out of the fridge. I have my air fryer basket right here. I'm just going to transfer that in there. And you want to make sure that you don't overcrowd your basket when it comes to cooking your chicken, because if you overcrowd, you might not get it crispy. It's better to do in 2 batches. I'll transfer it in the air fryer. And my air fryer comes with a preset button. Chicken is 380 for 25 minutes. 380 for 25 minutes. And I'm going to let it cook for the first 15 minutes and then we'll flip it halfway through. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. So our chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna pull it out, and this is how it's looking right now. And I'll just go ahead and I'll flip it over. I'll use my silicone tongs and I'll just go ahead and flip our chicken over. Chicken has been flipped over. I'm just going to toss it right back into the air fryer and I'll let it cook for the remainder of the 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, we are going to check to see how our wings are doing. This is how they're looking right now. I'll just go ahead and I'll transfer the wings in. And I have right here my last ingredient. This is my homemade sweet chili. You can also grab it from the store. I just love to make mine homemade because I can control the ingredients that go into it. I'm just going to mix this properly to combine, and I'll transfer it back into an air fryer, and I'll put it back in the air fryer for about 5 minutes just so it can stick to the wings properly. Pop it right back in, and I'm going to turn up the heat 400. I'll do 5 more minutes and we'll see how it's looking after 5 minutes. Let's check our wings. This is how they're looking. They look so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and make sure you turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Until I come your way next time, please be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.